Hello and welcome to IVF-Life's medication guide. Today I will explain to you all how to prepare several different types of medications. Be sure to always wash your hands before preparing any type of medication and especially before injecting. It's also really important to prepare all of your equipment and lay out all of the medications as well as the needles and syringes. So let's get started. These are the instructions on how to administer Pergoveris. This will be a pre-filled pen and the specific doses. This pen, for example, contains 900 units. This will be good enough to use various times. Inside your box, you will find a pre-filled pen as well as various needles. First, we will dial up our specific dose of the pen. In this case, we will be administering 225 units. We twist the dial and in the panel you will see your dose of 225. We remove the protective cap from the pen. We then remove the protective cap from the needle. And we push and screw the needle onto the pen. Remove the protective cap. Then we remove the final protective cap and the needle is exposed. Now, we inject into our tummy at 90 degrees, just below the belly button, and we press the plunger down and the dose is administered and we hold the pen there for 10 seconds.